Good medical morning. This is Watson with your pimple popping medical week in a review. We'll cover the best medical content on Instagram, Reddit, YouTube, and more. Plus, we'll be covering a 119-pound cyst by the end of the video, so stick around. First is this eye infection from Reddit. Dr. Sandra debuted this enormous pilar cyst. We'll only show you a few extraction pictures to protect her copyright, but kudos to Dr. Sandra Lee. Here's one of the more popular extractor videos on Snapchat. Next are these impressively black blackheads from @GreatestMedical on Instagram. Followed by this ear pimple. And on a positive note, the bodies exhibit is back to its regular schedule in Las Vegas. Let's look at a few of my favorite photos. Finally, doctors removed this 119-pound ovarian cyst in India. Would you like to see a case study about this surgical removal? Leave us your opinion as a comment. The doctor stated, quote, "In over 30 years of my experience as a surgeon, I've never come across a case where the tumor weighed almost half the person's body weight." End quote. Wow. And now, a word about Rest More, my favorite sleep supplement.
Rest More I found has been great for me to fall asleep quickly in a really natural, gentle, mild way. I don't have the same problems that I do with prescription sleep medicine, being groggy the next morning. With Rest More, I'm able to fall asleep fast, stay asleep all night, and then when I wake up the next morning, I have a ton of energy and I'm well rested and ready to take on the day. Highly recommend Rest More. You should go check it out.
Rest More helps you obtain natural sleep without all the side effects of prescription or over-the-counter medication. It's all natural and safe to use every night. So what are you waiting for? Try Rest More today and start getting a full night's sleep.